So here's Miracle of Mind app Sadhguru. It's quite trending app which helps you to establish regular meditation practice. It's a simple, effective, and free app designed to help you take charge of your mental well-being and establish daily meditation practice with 7-minute guided session by Sadhguru. It offers an engaging experience through milestones and rewards, helping you make it a part of your everyday to manage stress and anxiety, enhance focus, and nurture emotional health. So yeah, this is the app. You can just go and download it. So here it is. You can just get it. And here's the app. Establish a regular meditation practice. Easily fits into any schedule. Gamify a meditation with tricks. Created insights about mental well-being from Sadhguru. And then yeah, you can let's just try it out. So then you just can create an account fast and easy. And then yeah, you can just see the onboarding. And then here it is. So then you can just start your first meditation, 7 minutes meditation. And then this is kind of how it looks like. So you just start the meditation.
We will make use of the
Then there is some guide. And yeah, pretty cool. So the fun thing is that you just start the first meditation for free. So you can just start using this app for free. You don't need to upgrade this annoying screens where you instantly need to upgrade. So you can just use that. Then you can just use Sadhguru Wisdom Corner, and then there is your profile. Then you can see the stats and the details in here. So that's basically what it is. So that's the app. Quite cool. It's growing in charts. Oops, so that's not the one. So yeah, Miracle of Mind Sadhguru. Quite cool app. Try it out.